In the process of rapid development of modern industry, aerospace, petrochemical industry, railway construction and other industries, various large equipments because of bad use environment, long time use frequency, it is more prone to blockage, cracks, corrosion, etc. It has a serious impact on industrial production safety. The endoscope inspection can be found in the internal damage of various devices, remove hidden safety hazards from the source, protect industries such as aerospace, industrial production, counterterrorism search and rescue and other industries. Shenzhen VSNDT Co., Ltd. is a high-tech enterprise that integrates product R&D, production, sales and services. VSNDT focus on the field of non-destructive testing NDT industry and industrial endoscope products. VSNDT passed the international standard ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification (C) certificate and obtained a number of national invention patents. VSNDT R&D team take solid footsteps, concentrate on study and breakthrough innovation, take the initiative to explore and dare to break through, continuously motivated to move forward in product R&D and functional innovation. We have developed high temperature resistance, heat imaging, impact resistance, more stable endoscope products. Innovation drives us to do it first. All VSNDT people seize the opportunity to meet the challenge. Keeping up with the times and keep going. Let VSNDT move towards a higher level of future. As a predecessor in the non-destructive testing NDT industry, VSNDT paid attention to quality, from raw materials to various precision production processes. Continuous inspection and practice make sure all products are in excellent performance. Establish a first-class quality system. Establish first-class service consciousness is the foundation of VSNDT development. Continue to the development of the aviation, testing and manufacturing industry. Contribute our own strengths. Provide security guarantee for the construction of industrial development. Firmly unwavering VSNDT people, down to birth and constantly work hard, with a good reputation to win market recognition and customer trust. At present, VSNDT endoscope products are sold all over the world. There are applications in aerospace, oil and gas chemicals, ship manufacturing, hydropower, wind, etc. and extend new functional products such as high temperature resistance endoscope, expansion visual inspection endoscope, intelligent integration endoscope, far infrared high definition endoscope, infrared thermal imaging endoscope, and other new functional products. VSNDT people will take a solid and powerful footstep to win the future. VSNDT will use the perfect quality products to create a world-class brand.